Hey, I was just sent this embroidery kit, and it's a beginner's kit and for all levels and has everything you need to get started. So let's open this up here. There's a nice little instruction manual for all the different stitches needed, including all the different colors that are included. There's also all these different thread colors, and even more manuals for all the different kinds of stitches that can be used, showing the different levels of difficulty. There's easy, normal, hard, and tough. This is normal and tough. And then here's the hard level, and even more stitches to go along with that. So inside of the box, it also comes with an embroidery hoop here, and all your different templates for easy, normal, tough, and hard settings. It also comes with these thread cutters here, this needle threader, very helpful, this seam ripper in case you mess up, and 16 different needles in different sizes, which is very helpful. And then again, all these beautiful colors here, and it also tells you which colors to use depending on your level of difficulty. So now I have it in this hoop here just to show you guys what I'm going to do to get started, and then I'm going to tighten it. So first I am going to cut the string, and then I'm going to put it through the needle using the needle threader.
So to use the needle threader, you just put it through this little hole right here, and then you take your string and you have a much bigger hole to be able to put your thread through. And once you have your thread right here, then you can easily pull this through and it will have it threaded for you.
So I'm just going to start sewing here and going up from the bottom and up through the top. I tied a little knot in the bottom of the string so it doesn't come through the top. And then I'm just doing the flat needle stitch here. Some of the stitches recommend that you have all 6 threads or just 3, and that means you have to pull it apart, but for this one we're just doing all 6. This would just be a nice little hobby for anyone of any age and any level, just to practice or upgrade your skills of embroidery. This would also double as a good gift for any children or to your grandmother or mom or anything like that.